Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Our our topic is on smart wheelchair with voice control. Basically, we have built this for um, patients or any disabled people, paralyzed people, or you know, anyone old age people who is not able to move freely. At present, there are projects on projects on that wheelchair, but they need someone to guide or a helper who need to work on it. Joystick is there, voice control is also there, but it is not more mm, workable or more freely. Our main agenda is to give patients freedom independently. They only have to work on it. If the patient is able to use joystick, it can use he or she can use joystick or voice control or voice control is like the voice recognizes easily and microcontroller operates it and it works very quickly. At present, they take much time and in noisy area it won't work or it will work very fast. It will go forward very quickly. But our agenda is to make it work at that exact time at zero point 0.5 seconds. At when they give a command, move forward, it should move forward at that time only. This topic or this agenda will make different from the present projects. It is our main aim.
Good morning, everyone. I am Vital. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Vital from the team Oxville. Here are the two basics technical approach of our smart electric wheelchair. Uh, I explain mainly about the technologies to be used in our smart electric wheelchair. Is the programming, hardware, control, and future enhancement. In the programming, we are using the C and C++ programming. So, with the Arduino IDE and in the technologies of our smart electric wheelchair, the main hardware are the microcontroller, motor driver, DC motors, and some other batteries. Microcontroller, because of it is the main system of our controller to guide the wheelchair motors, and the motor driver is to control the and give the required current to through it. The controller use the voice recognition, voice commands to the microcontroller when it receives forward, backward, left, right, and stop. And the future announcement means we are making the decisions to implement the more future like obstacle detection, because it is not existed in any wheelchair. We are trying to implement that. Like there are next topic is our methodology and process, means step by step processing in our smart electric wheelchair. First is the voice command, where the user use the command forward, backward, left, right, and stop. Then the voice processing is captured and the processed by the system, where the microcontroller process the command and is sent to the microcontroller, where it controls the wheelchair of the motors. Afterward, DC motor drive controls the DC motor. Step 6 is the wheelchair movement, where the all user given commands has been implemented to this project.
As I already said, our main agenda is to make the patients move freely, independently. The potential impact on the target audience is that only that we will improve the independence. They should selfly do everything. They don't need any guide or any helper to move to do everything whatever they want. And benefits of our solution is social, economic, environmental, and future. In social, there is better accessibility and inclusion for people with limited mobility. Economic is we are making it low cost, because at present there is very high cost features. We want our patients or any our customers to get what they want at budget friendly. Our project is selected by 9 also. We got 4 lakh funding also. and we are working on it. For hackathon, we have made a prototype. Our prototype is working with joystick. We are further working on it to make work on voice control and other systems which we are thinking to add. As you can see, it is working on joystick. We are further working for it to make it more workable, and this is just a prototype we have made. In this, we have used microcontroller battery, which is of 1 hour range. The main battery which we will use in our main project, it will be for 5 to 6 hours. The rechargeable, it will go for 5 to 10 kilometers speed. Any questions?
Congratulations, team, because you have selected one of very necessity problem statement. Uh, but I feel just like this, but I could not find much of that difference. What you are going to add to that innovation?
So we are not,
Yeah, please go ahead.
so we are adding optical detections, emergency system and voice control system. But overall we are thinking of neural by neural network.
Okay. So you want it to be self-operated?
Yes.
Ah, that's great. So I think, so now, my small suggestion, so, I don't know, just getting it in my mind. So, if already see, there is something called as, for blind people, there is text,
Yes.
which actually is telling like what is the obstacle in the front and who, if I am blind, I wear that glasses, then I'll record your all five people's the data in that, and it will tell who went talking to. So something like that. So in the same way, can I also get that? Because obstacle is there. And you also spoke about voice command. Then I feel like you could have worked more on voice command. It's already that voice command modules are there, right? Already there. It's hardly a 2 or 3 hours matter of time for you people, because you people have done this. It's all great, and I think you could have worked more on when is your main presentation of this? 20? When is the main Smart India Hackathon presentation? Next month, I guess, 7th or 8th. So can you please work on that one? Because this shows that it's already existing. Like, why would I go for? Like, it's already there. It is just like I'm doing it in my office. So I'm doing it at my end. So then one more thing is almost every time when you put this DC motor there, just put one more plank there. It's not the wheels bent. Other than that, I think that's great work by you. And I want you to like, have you, any one of you have even tried to sit on such a chair and experience yourself? Did you?
So I sat on the voice system.
Okay. So how was your experience? To be very honest.
Good.
Good. Then how can you make it better by your product? That's it.
Yes, sir.
So anyone else? Where did you find that
In
chair?
Mumbai, sir.
Mumbai.
Yes.
You find it here also. You just go to any of that shop.
So when I went there, I saw it. So
Okay. So to understand it more, like what actually the products are offering right now with this with this product, then you just go to any of such shop and try to sit on one such chair. Like tell the like seller says that खरीदना चाह रहे हैं, and just try to use it and see what is that experience you are getting, and are you making your product with much better experiences what is already existing. Only then your product has a stands a chance. If not, of course, we already have it. So if I say, let us say that I'll fund, just for imagination, I'll give you two cars to pick. One Maruti Suzuki and one is Benz. Which one? I'll fund full completely on road non-control car. So which one will you go for? Mercedes. I say that no, Maruti Suzuki also is wonderful, like with same quality, same efficiency, everything complete like Benz. Still, what will you do?
for design,
Benz or Maruti Suzuki, which one will you go for? Benz only. Why? Because already it has created a brand.
Yes.
It is there. So when you have a product in the market, why will someone come to you when there's already having a brand? So you have to give that extra additional point. Only then it will. So other than that, that's good.
Sir, and affordable to the users.
Yeah, of course. Affordable is always like might be. It might sound weird sometimes. Affordable when it says might be less in cost, right? So when people, so let us say that again, like so let us say that I have these two cards over here. ಅದು 25 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅದ ಇದು 30 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅದ. So you'll ask why 5 rupees more? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಕಲರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 25 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮುರಿಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 30 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. So when you say affordable, be cautious because people try to judge your product, right? Okay, so that's my point. So other than that, it's a good work in presentation.
So good to see working prototype on page. So my question is like, have you surveyed the current cost of this device?
Approximately 290.
3 lakh.
Yes, sir.
Approximately
Under 3 lakh.
3 lakh. So when you design your product, how much would be your cost?
Up to 1 year, sir. 1 year under 2.
Okay. 100.
Yes, sir.
So you are saying it is affordable.
We are trying, sir. With a low budget.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you said like deep learning you are using, like neural network you are using.
We are trying, sir.
Neural networks, we are thinking to add that to make different from existing products. We
Okay.
are searching more what can we add or
Yes.
do anything different from the
Yes.
present project.
Yes. So neural networks you are using it.
Yeah.
Like in the sense like if I'm
Thinking like
Thinking that you are
if
moving
you
front,
want to
it
move
will.
front, it will
so
move.
if I think I should move in
Yeah.
the right direction,
Yeah.
in whatever direction I'm thinking I should move in that direction.
Yes.
So that way you are thinking on
Yeah.
it. Right? So how much time do you think it will take to complete this?
we are still working on it, sir. Many challenges we are getting on
Yes.
that.
What
sir.
challenges are you facing?
So it may take many time.
No, no, no. What challenges are you facing? And you can explain now. You don't need to have slides. You are currently facing some challenges, right? So I just wanted to know what challenges are there and how will you overcome them within the stipulated amount of time. No, no, don't request by just explain it verbally.
Challenges ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವು ಏನು ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀರಿ ಇವಾಗ?
Be comfortable with the
language also is not a problem. We are good with technology.
Or not we will be successful in not something which will affect the product or if they are dumb and tough, so it will affect them or not. We are facing that we should more research and we should go deep in that, and then we can implement it.
The implementation of neural network and neural network is deep learning and all, it is good. So that will be a unique feature for your prototype. Okay, that would be the unique feature. Voice over you are implementing, then deep learning. These two will be your differentiating criteria. Okay, and you are saying cost also you are going to reduce.
Yes, sir.
So that will be another differentiating criteria. So you have to focus on the differentiating criteria as compared to your existing product. Okay, so that is how you have to think. That's what I'm saying. Like you have to think in this direction. How unique you can make it. As I said, like what is the major differentiating factor from your one, your product, and the existing one. It cost only, if you think like it won't be sustaining for longer period. Okay, if earlier also they said like battery and the cost and the battery storage, they won't sustain for longer duration of time. So what you will have to do is like you have to think in a different way, different perspective only, and you have to think in something like ahead. Okay, some few future ahead, like few years ahead. After this many years, what will be happening? So keeping that in mind, you have to implement a new feature. Neural networks one, I am very much impressed with that. So just implement that. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so even if the person cannot speak also, he should be also able to use this product. Okay, so his mind, whatever he gets, right? So he should be working towards it.
These three are our three things we have major in future. Sir, one is data collection, one is current emergency stock, and this neural
So deep learning, neural networks, that is mind. Okay, so think about this algorithm when you work there for deep learning and work on that algorithm. So all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.